Hi and welcome to this filmora tutorial. In this tutorial, we are just going to see the overall view of what is filmora is about. So first, let us just go into this. This is the place where you can import media files. Okay, just let's start. For an example, I'm going to just select all this video and also these images. So it has come down. You can see this icons here. This is a video icon and this is everything is for this JPG. You will be able to import audio, video and other type of media files into this filmora. Now this is about audio. There will be so much audio effects in filmora. These are all royalty free tracks which filmora allows it to use. I will teach you this option when we just go separately to including audio in our video, and this is for titles, and you can see there are various kind of titles here. Okay, just let me just click a single one over here. Just a moment. Yeah. So when you just double click on each and every title, you can see how it just unfolds itself. You can just see here. And the next one would be transitions. You can insert a transition between two videos, or if you want to insert a transition in a video, you can just cut a video and then insert transition. I'll be just going into a depth. First, let me see what is transition about. You can just see how it goes. Here comes blurry roll, so you can see how it is all about. These are the another tab is called effects. Let me just double click on the effects. You can see how it really changes itself, right? So what all you can do here, and another is this elements. So if you just want to see what this elements is all about, you can just see. Let's go for explosion. We will be adding each and everything, most of this into our videos to make our video one of the best. So okay, let's just try another one. Okay, and this is the button for exporting, and after you finish your video, you can export into various formats. This also I will help you to do this. And this is this timeline. Now I'll show you how it works. Now I'm going to just add a video to this timeline. There are two options. Either you can click plus. When you click a plus, you will be always getting this pop-up. The resolution or a frame rate of the media does not match the current project setting. Do you want to change your project settings to match? You just remove this always ask. Then you can always press match to media. Okay. So after you click this plus, you can see what happened here. This video just came down. I'm going to delete this. Now there is also another option where you can just simply drag your video down here. So this is what happens. And this is the portion where you will be able to play this video. Okay, just let us see what happens. So you can just see that I'm coming here, and I'm just little fast. Now you can see what is happening. This video is playing. Yeah. Okay. And these are some of the this is this cursor where you will be able to move the video to the left and right. We'll be just going in depth in each and everything, nothing to worry. And this is, you can just see when we keep this cursor near to this particular tool, you can see it is called split, where we'll be using to split this video. And this is crop and zoom, and also the shortcut key for all this is Alt plus C. You can see how it is. So this is the speed. Let me just click it. You can see it's slow, fast, normal or freeze frames. And this is for what you see, this color and everything. Okay, so I think I don't want to go too much in depth into this, but I'll just an overview of this area, what is this filmora's homepage is about. Thanks for watching this video. We are going to go in depth into each and everything. Thank you for watching this video.